Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet keychain designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet keychain design is a small handmade decorative item crafted using yarn and a crochet hook attached to a keyring. These designs are cute, creative, and often quick to make. They can be purely decorative or functional, like little pouches or charms. Here are some tips for creating a dye flower keychain, depending on the material you want to use. First, choosing the right materials. Yarn. Use cotton yarn for durability, smooth stitches, and minimal fuzziness. Hook size. Use a smaller hook than usual to create tight stitches, preventing gaps. Stuffing. For origami designs, use polyester fiber fill and pack it tightly for a neat shape. Keyring attachments. Use metal keyrings with jump rings for secure fastening. Number 2. Techniques for a neat look. Start with a magic ring. This eliminates gaps at the center of round shapes, like flowers and origami. Use invisible decreases. This makes shaping smoother without obvious bumps. Work in continuous rounds. For seamless shapes, don't dot rounds. Use a stitch marker to check rounds. Lock your crochet. Lightly steams or dampen and pin down your crochet bit to shape it properly before assembly. Next, assembly and finishing touches. Securely attach the keyring. Sew a crochet chain loop and slip the keyring through. Use a small jump ring and pillars for a metal attachment. Reinforce with a tab of fabric glue if needed. Add details for extra charm. Embroider small faces or patterns using embroidery thread. Sew or glue teeny beads or buttons for eyes. Add a teeny bow, or charm for extra decoration. Weaving ends properly. Hide yarn tails neatly and start the work using a yarn needle. Creative ideas for crochet keychains. Floral, tiny roses, sunflowers, cherry blossoms. Animal, mini cats, bunnies or bears. Food items, ice cream cones, strawberries or donuts. Mini accessories, tiny purses, hearts and stars. Decoration and customization tips. Use embroidery for cute details, add teeny eyes, smiles, or decorative pieces using a thin embroidery needle. Mix textures for unique looks. Combine fuzzy yarn for the panels, plus smooth yarn for the center of a flower. Use metallic thread to add sparkle. Personalize with names or details. Crochet tiny letters or sew on embroidered patches. Layered and 3D effects. Instead of a flat crochet flowers, stack 2 or 3 layers of petals for a fuller look. Turn it into a multi-charm keychain. Attach a mini tassel, bell, or teeny crochet heart along with your main design. Creative ideas for unique crochet keychains: floral, mini roses, daisies, sunflowers, circle blossoms. Food-themed ice cream cones, cupcakes, or strawberries. Choosing the best yarn and materials. Use sport or fine weight yarn for detailed designs. Cotton yarn works best for keychains since it does not vary easily. Experiment with textures. Try velvet yarn for plus keychains or metallic thread for a shiny effect. Consider embroidery floss for extra small keychains. It makes tight, delicate pieces. Use a soft grip hook if making multiple keychains to reduce hand strain. Make it durable and functional. Reinforce the keychain attachment. Crochet a small tight loop instead of just stretching yarn through. Packaging and presentation tips. Attach to a cute baking card. Punch a hole in a small printed card for a professional touch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!